Bata per country lang. Kulang. Ay, kulang prize.
Ayun.
Yakap. Isa lang. Isa lang.
Oh!
Ayan, no?
At ito mga Dapper Cats, from the heart talaga. Yes. Two old friends. Wearing older faces and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now it'll be more than. Wait, 1 year. He's back in his life, and it feels so beauty naman this time. Love wanted. She's smiling like she used to smile way back when. Feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. It'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than friends. Oof. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. I want it. Yakap mo ako.
Wala, may nanalo na. Okay na, ma'am, may nanalo na.
Wait. Bata per country lang. Kulang. Ay, kulang prize.
Ayun.
Yakap. Isa lang. Isa lang.
Oh!
Panalo tayo.
May tanong ka pa ba, ma'am? Meron.
Okay na yun, ma'am.
May tanong kaya.
Tapos na po, ma'am.
Hindi pa.
Song request pa lang yun. Balik kayo dito.
Okay.
Pa kayo sa umpisa. Wala pa.
May backup na pa, ha?
Kulit.
Wala pa kay Pedro. Sip ko'y litong-lito at alam ang gagawin. Hirap ako sa pag-uli ng iyong pansin. Pag nasasalubok na tip-tip ko'y kakaba-kaba, pati ang tuhod ko'y nalalambot na rin. At sumulap na ang mamupungay mong mata, kasalanan mapatulala. Mr. Dreamboy, Mr. Dreamboy. Sabi, ano ba? Yung may tulad. Mr. Dreamboy. Sana'y masabi ko sa'yo ang natatagong lihim ko. Ikaw ang tanging dreamboy ko. Dreamboy ko. Ikaw ang tanging dreamboy ko.
Bryce Ray! Halika ka dito!
Millennials.
Millennials who?
Kamusta ka na? Ayaw ko ang sakin. Di ba nawala? Kang bibiguin sa ganun ka ka pa rin. It's been raining in millennials, hindi ka ba nalalamig? Mahirap ka mag-isang nanginginig. And it's been raining in millennials, hindi ka ba nalalamig? Pag wala ang mga tao.
Madilim na ang mundo. Galing!
Ganda nun, ma'am.
Maganda. Maganda.
Raining in
Ako'y
millennials.
natuwa sa inyong dalawa. Kayo ba'y handa na sa inyong score?
Handang-handa.
Okay? Turo mo lang.
Ito po.
Okay. Ako magbubukas. Panoorin nyo ha.
Sure.
Oh, 100!
Close up, please.
Magic yan.
Close up.
Naka!
Magic yan.
100?
Magic yan.
Ay, nako! Bakit yan?
Perfect score! Perfect score!
Baka Dabber Cats, mas mataas
Sino
to.
naglagay nito?
100.
Perfect score yan,
Wait lang
mama!
nga. Sino?
Nilagay mo picture mo?
Puro zero yan.
Ay, grabe si Muro.
Parang quadrillion, quintillion na
Hindi
yun.
ko nga na
Pagkakarating
yung
zero.
quintillion points yan.
Yung ang tawag doon, Photoshop, di ko ma...
Walang filter.
Ganda ng
Ah, ito na
score.
sa inyo.
Bastos.
Ayun na! Naka!
Check!
Sorry.
Tamay sa picture eh.
Kasi picture yun eh.
Puro
Bawi tayo,
zero eh.
diba?
Bawi tayo.
Bawi tayo. Thank you po, ma'am. Sorry po.
Thank you,
Thank
teacher.
you, din.
Darling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs.